Under the bail guidelines, their bail applications must be disposed of within a period of one month from the time they are filed. The accused person still enjoys the presumption of innocence. It's therefore important that the bail application is heard and disposed of as quickly as possible. Be it as it may, I find it fair that the petition is not denied of this very senior personnel in handling this bail application. We are still within the time allowed under the bail guidelines of the bail application disposed of. I therefore reluctantly allow the adjournment to allow Mr. Mukarucha to be present in the court. This matter is adjourned the 23rd of June 2025 at 2 p.m. The application will on that day be heard with or without the presence of any senator in court. It's 2 p.m. and state whether you come or does not come, we shall proceed.